We live in a dynamic age, and we do business in a constantly evolving marketplace. With rapid changes in technology, continued deglobalization, and the redefinition of supply chains, the channel as we know it is transforming our economies in terms of both supply and demand. In the channel, onboarding of partners on a continuous and regular basis will become a crucial requirement for most organizations operating in this environment. And onboarding is an area where partner management software can be very useful as organizations grow their partner networks. But before I dive into the many features of partner onboarding software and explain how it can help accelerate partner onboarding and time to revenue, let me provide a little background on partner onboarding. As markets evolve, businesses digitize more and more to reduce operating costs while increasing access. In the process, they tend to deleverage their direct go-to-market structure and emphasize an indirect model instead. That's why the channel is so important right now. As a result of this shift to indirect sales, we are now seeing a proliferation of various types of partners, such as affiliates, agents, consultants, wholesalers, resellers, brokers, retailers, e-tailers, franchises, system integrators, and more. There are too many to name. The important thing to remember is that all of these partners do essentially the same thing. They represent a brand to a buyer. Sometimes these third parties focus exclusively on generating brand awareness, but in other cases they carry inventory and resell a product. And sometimes they also provide services beyond the sale. So, when you have a thriving partner network, it is highly likely that you'll have a mix of various partner types, which will make managing the network more complex. Therefore, as you design programs and processes and invest in people to manage your indirect go-to-market model, it's important that you have the right technology infrastructure, namely partner management software, to automate these workflows in a deliberate and structured way. Here's another complicating factor. Partner onboarding applies to both existing partners and new partners. Why? Because you're marketing and selling solutions that are constantly changing. Even longtime partners will need to complete training or recertification processes or territory realignment from time to time in order to continue to sell effectively. These activities are part of onboarding. Now, when it comes to new partners, of course, you need to recruit them, train them, and put them through structured onboarding programs, much like you do with your new employees. But there may be a lot of differences between your new and existing partner programs. Without a solid partner management software infrastructure, it's very difficult to rapidly redesign, redeploy, and globally manage an infrastructure that can accommodate these differences. Okay, now let's talk about the steps in partner onboarding. Typically, an onboarding process takes partners through the following 7 steps, which your partner management software should be able to flow through seamlessly. The first step is partner recruitment. This is where you conduct outbound and inbound marketing activities to drive awareness with your existing and potential new partners about your offerings, your programs, and your business proposition. The next step is partner registration. This is where partners sign up on your partner portal. It's basically your first digital hello. The next step is partner sign-up. Once the registration process is complete, you'll want partners to apply for certain programs, products, or other offerings you have to get them engaged. Once they're approved for these activities, they are formally signed up to market and/or sell and/or service your target buyers. The next step is partner training. Training partners on your partner portal is critical. Your partner management software will need to have a learning management system so that partners can be systematically guided through their certifications training. The next step is partner enablement. This is where you steer partners to a variety of assets and tools on your partner portal, which they can use to promote your brand, either across the web or off the web. The next step is partner referrals or deals. Once your partners start marketing, they will generate leads and deals for you. You need a way to efficiently and accurately keep track of those activities. This is a key area where partner management software can automate workflows and simplify complex processes. Finally, the last step in onboarding is partner payments. Based on your partner's activities, you will need to compensate them in various ways, including commissions, rewards, rebates, and loyalty points. Your partner processes may be pretty straightforward, but for some organizations, partner payments depend on a variety of factors and can be very complex. good partner management software is essential to manage payments effectively and in a timely manner. There you have it. These are the 7 most basic steps in the partner journey. In some cases, there may be another dozen or so steps that your partners may go through as they gain experience and market and sell more of your products and services. We won't cover those additional steps here, but we will go into more detail in later podcasts. The point we want to emphasize in closing is that partner onboarding is not a single step. Think of it this way. For an employee to be effective in your organization, you must take them through multiple steps in a training process before they're ready to start performing. The same idea applies to partner onboarding. Partners must be guided through a structured onboarding program in order to succeed in the activities you want them to engage in. A best-in-class platform like Zinfi's partner management software can significantly accelerate this process while reducing your costs and exponentially improving your financial performance.